Good morning, year 6. How are you? Okay. Our lesson for today is all about prime numbers. It will be a continuation what we have learned yesterday, but we are going to recall what are prime numbers. So you should know how to recognize prime numbers from 1 to 100, and also list down pairs of prime numbers that make a sum, difference, or product of two prime numbers, and also solve word problems. Now, as I have explained yesterday about prime numbers is a number with only two factors. You have to remember, prime numbers are numbers with only two factors, 1 and itself. You have to remember also that most prime numbers ends with 1, 3, 7, and 9. Most, not all. Okay? Then, remember, only 2 from all even numbers, that is a prime number. Okay? So remember, that means to say except 2, okay, all even numbers are not a prime number, except 2. And 2 is the smallest prime number. Now, I'll give you an example. What are prime numbers? So what are the factors of 5? So factors of 5 are 5 times 1. So meaning, what are these two numbers that these two factors, when we multiply, it will give us 5. So 5 times 5. So do we have more? We don't have any more. So what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So from the meaning itself of prime number, it says 1 and itself. So 1 and 5. How many does 5, how many factors does this number 5 has? It has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Therefore, 5 is a prime number. All right? Now, I'll give another example. How about if I have 13? Because I'm basing it to my, when prime numbers, most prime numbers ends with 1, 3, 7. 13 ends with 3. Okay? So, what are the factors of 13? It is 1 times 13, and the factors of 13 is 1 and 13. How many factors 13 has got? It has 1 and 2. So 2 factors only, 1 and 13. Therefore, 13 is a prime number. How about 31? What are the factors of 31? So 1 times 31. Do we have more? No, we don't have any more. So 1 and 31, it has 2 factors. Therefore, 31 is a prime number. All right? Now, how about this example? So I'm going to use 7. A number ends with 7. 27. What are the factors of 27? Is it in the times table? Or it belongs to any multiples? Let's see. Let's check. Anyway, it ends with 7 because I said most prime numbers ends with 1, 3, 7, and 9, but it must have only 2 factors. So let's check. 1 times 27. Anything else? Yes, we have more. 3 times 9. So if we are going to write, there are already 2 pairs. So there are 4 factors. 1, 3, 9, and 27. How many factors does 27 has? It has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, even though it ends with 7, 27 is not a prime number because it has 4 factors. Do you understand? So 27 is not a prime number because it has 4 factors. Next one. Let's erase it. Okay, another example. How about if I have 29? Do we have 29 in the times table? So we have 24, we have 28, 7 times 4. We have, do we have more? 29? We don't have. So meaning 1 times 29, it has 1 and 29, only 2. So it falls on 2 factors, 1 and itself. Therefore, 29 is a prime number. Do you understand? Okay. Now, I want to see. So 5 has got factors, 2 factors only. So 5 is a prime number. Now, I want you to remember this. Remember this. 1 is not a prime number because it has only 1 factor. So let's check. 1 is 1 times 1. What are the factors of 1? So we have only 1. Therefore, if a number has got only 1 factor, then it is not a prime number. Why? Because a prime number is a number with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So 1 has got only 1 factor. Therefore, 1 is not a prime number. Keep that in your mind. That's why we say 2 is the smallest prime number. All right, let's move on. Now, let's check this one. Can you list down the first 10 prime numbers? Okay, let's see. Since we said 2 is the lowest, what will be the next? All right, 3, because 1 times 3 only. What will be the next? Is 4 belongs to prime number? No, because it has 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, so it has 3 numbers. And anyway, 4 is an even number. And prime numbers, most prime numbers ends with 1, 3, 7, and 9. So 4 is cancelled. 5, okay, anyway, it's 1 digit only. So 5 is 1 times 5. And then 7, and then 9, no, because it has 1 times 9 and 3 times 3, so it has 3 factors. Yes, 3 factors. So what will be the next? Yes, 11. What will be the next? 13, and then 17, and 19. Okay, what else? Is it 21 belongs to prime numbers? Because it ends with 1? No, because it has 1 times 21 and 3 times 7. It has 4 factors, so no, 21 doesn't belong to prime numbers. So how about 23? Yes, because it's only 1 times 23. What is the next one? 27, we have discussed already that 27 is not a prime number. Therefore, we have to cancel it. Next, 29 is a prime number. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So those are the first 10 prime numbers. Next. So what are the prime numbers in between 10 and 30? So it's already in here on our first letter question. So of course it will be 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. I want another question. Find all the prime numbers between 40 to 60. So what do you think? Let's see now. Can you think about it and then check your answer later? Okay, let's go. 41. Did you do it correctly? 43, 47, 49. No, doesn't belong to prime numbers. It's not a prime number because 49 is 7 times 7 and 1 times 49. Next is 51. Is 51 a prime number? Can you think about that? It is a prime number. Yes? Because 1 times 51, 3 times 17. So it has 4 numbers, 4 factors, I mean. So, for example, you are confused how to check. You can use your division or your box method. Let's see. So, 51. I'm not going to divide by 2 because it's an even number. And anyway, if it's even number, it's not a prime number. So I will try to use 3. Okay? So 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So I will subtract 2 and I'll put 2 here. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Therefore, 51 is not a prime number. Okay? How about 53? You can try. 53, so I will use this one. If 5 divided by 3 is 1 and then 2, so if it will be 23 here, there's 23 is a prime number, so 53 is a prime number. Okay? And also 57, if I will put 27 here, so if it's 7, okay, divide by 3, so 2, it will be 27, it will be 19, so 57 is not a prime number. 59, yes, 59. Oh, let's write again. 41, 43, 47, 57, 59. That's it. That is from 40 to 60. Okay? So you can try, you can check by dividing it. It can be divided by 3. So if it ends with 1 or it ends with 7 and 9, try to divide it by 3 or 7 or 9. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Push. Okay, how about here? Find 2 prime numbers that will add up to 10. So we have, the first one will be 3 plus 7. 3 and 7 are prime numbers, so that is correct. How about here? Find prime numbers that will add up to 50. So think about your prime numbers. So an example is 17 plus 37 equals 50. So 17 is a prime number, 37 is a prime number, and when you add, it will give us 50. Okay? And 7 plus 43, so 43 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, and 50 equals 50. The sum is 50. Another one is 3 plus 47. 47 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. When we add, it gives us 50. All right? So, this one now. Find 2 prime numbers that will give a difference of 10. So, what will be? Can you think about it before I'll give the answer? Okay, so we have 23. 23 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. When we subtract them, it will give us 10. We have 29, which is a prime number. And 19 is a prime number. And when we subtract, it will give us 10. Okay, remember, difference is subtract. Let's move on. Any question about this one? Okay. How about here? Think of prime number that will complete this statement. So prime number, let's try. So we have 2. What can I multiply with 2? I can use 5. So what will be this now? 2 times 5 is 10. What should I multiply in 10 to give me 30? Very good. So now see, 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number. So the prime numbers that will complete the statement, okay, and the product is 30 are 2, 5, and 3. Okay? Okay, how about this? Try it. Okay, the first number, you can use 2. 2 is a prime number. And then 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 times what? Yes, correct. So these are all prime numbers. The product is 50. Next one. Okay, let's 2 times 5, 10 times, of course, 7 is equals to 70. Okay, can you do this for me? Pause your video and answer. Okay, find the prime numbers between 40 to 60. Check your answer. So these are all 53. Oops. 53 is not a prime number. And 53 is a prime. 51 is not a prime number, correct? We said this a while ago. Okay. So 53, 59, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay, so those are all the prime numbers in between 60 to 100. Now, let's find a pair of prime numbers that will give a sum of 80. So it will be 7 plus 73 equals 80. 13 plus 67 is 80. 37 plus 43 is 80. And 19 plus 61 is 80. Okay? So when you will see a question, a pair of prime numbers, you are going to use only prime numbers, but not any number. Okay? Now, complete this one. What are the numbers that when we multiply, what are those prime numbers that when we multiply, it gives us a product of 75? So 3 times 5, 15, times 5 is 75. Next one, product is 110. 2 times 5 is 10, times 11 is 110. Okay? So, let's answer this one. One number in each set is not a prime number. Use the rules of divisibility on page 32 to help you find this number and list its factors to show that it is not a prime number. Or if you will think that this is an even number, automatically it's not a prime number. And if it is in the times table, then it is not a prime number. Okay, or they are a number with multiples, then they are not a prime number. Okay, so let's try this one. Letter A, which one is not a prime number? Yes, it's 9. Letter B, which one is not a prime number? Okay, 1, because 1, it has only one factor. Which one is not a prime number in letter C? 30, because it has 5 times 3, 3 times 10, and it has more than 2 factors. Letter D, 48 is an even number, and it's a multiple of 4, 2, and 4, 6. It's not a multiple of, and it is even number, so it is not a prime number. And letter E is 21. It has 3 times 7 and 1 times 21. Letter F is 75. It is a multiple of 5. And 95, a multiple of 5. 18 is even number. And 99 is a multiple of 9. Okay? So if you have any question, you can just watch this video again. Let's move on to the last topic. Let's solve this problem. Mahdi thinks of 2 prime numbers. It is less than 30. So that means to say it is only in between 1 to 30. Okay? Then the sum of these numbers is 25. So it is a prime number, and when you add, it will give you 30. Okay? Because we say sum. Okay, can you try it first? Okay, so what are his number? His numbers? Answer, it is 2 and 23. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 23 a prime number? Yes. And when we add 2 plus 23 equals, 25. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you understand the lesson about prime numbers. See you in the next video.